Lesson 3 for beginners, official tournaments at IQ Square. Who are getting closer to the AirPods? Summer Smart Together, battle and get unlimited workbooks. World Championship, no fee by qualification only. Hi everyone, welcome to M&Go News. I'm the Special Agent, M7. Today is Saturday, May 30th, 2020. Today we are going to talk about how to battle at M&Go. If you want to take a part of the official tournament, you need to go to IQ Square and find the red shield. IQ Square is a square for people to battle each other. We hope that people will square their IQ after playing. That's why we call it IQ Square. So at the bottom menu of your M&Go, you will find the shield symbol. This is our focus today. So at IQ Square, you will see these 3 pins. The blue shields tells you that you can start a friendly battle over there. All red shields means that official tournaments are already scheduled at that location. The red shield with an infinity sign means it's an official tournament, and this tournament is visible and can be participated by any gamers on Earth. We will talk about friendly battle at blue shield sites in the future. For red shield, it's indicating that the pre-scheduled official tournaments are coming. If you like to get awards higher than gold leaves, then you probably want to find the red shield to join, but you have to wait until the scheduled time starts, so everybody will participate in the tournament at the same time. If you want to play with your friend who is not living close to you, you guys want to find the school site that has an infinity symbol with it, then you guys can play together. Generally, all red shields stands for official tournaments are already scheduled. Official tournaments can be further classified into different stages: school, state, national, eventually the world stages. You just need to read the small fonts under each school. Then at the end, you will see a word indicating whether it's a school or state or national or world. This picture shows you what kind of items and awards that are required at each stage. You can see at the ground level, a gamer needs to use gold leaves to enter school tournament to earn gold apples. At the school stage, if you win, then you get gold apples. Then if you have 5 or more gold apples, you will be able to get into the state tournament, and the award is gold cups. And if you have 5 or more gold cups, you are able to get into the national tournament. And the award from the national tournament is the gold crowns. If you have 5 or more gold crowns, that's what we always mentioned, then you are eligible into the world championship. So once you get into IQ Square upcoming, you see a list of official tournaments right there. Each tournament will tell you whether it's at the school stage, like this. These are all school stage, and this school site should be visible at anybody on Earth who is playing M&Go. Here it says it's at the state stage. So you just need to see the last word of each description. You can see a lot of school stage, then state. The lower the stage is, then the more chances you have. And then once you get to the national, then there are only a few chances for you to get into. So like this one, this is the national stage. Pay attention to these 2: Neverland capacity at the state stage or US mental math at the state stage. Now we are going to have a special promotion at the tournaments at these 2 sites. The World Championship is only once a year. So this year is August 30th. California is a once a year championship for 2020. Say if you want to join this tournament, the schools should be listed according to the time of the scheduled tournament. So the closest one, for example, right now I'm almost 6:30, but this game is 5:36, and it's still ongoing. It's because the last game division won't open until 6:36. So it takes a total of 1 hour to finish one tournament. It's 30 minutes intervals between 2 games. There are 3 games for each tournament. So this counter shows the time that the gate will open. You will encounter 2 counters. The big one shows the time before the gate opens. And then once the gate opens, Then you see another timer on the top that tells you how much time left before the game really starts. Now only 22 seconds left before the gate open, and after gate open, you still need to wait for 10 minutes. Normally, the big timer will display at the 30 minutes before the gate open. So you will see this timer 30 minutes before gate open. Now the gate opens, and that means you can choose whether you want to join the game or not. Now you see a smaller timer on the top. This timer tells you how much time left before the game starts. You always see there's one person waiting inside. The name consists of a chemical element plus the atomic number. That actually is the robot that we created to wait for you at each tournament. So we want to make sure nobody will play alone, so we can distinguish if you win or lose. So I choose to join the room. To join, you either join to battle or join to watch. If you choose watch, it won't cost you anything. Then you will just see the meter shows you the instant status of each gamer and the ranking of the gamers. So if I choose watch, so this is the meter I told you, and right now there's only one person. And once the game starts, you will see this circle will start to move up, and then several gamers will rank by the scores. If you choose to watch, you are able to watch any age. It's not limited by your age. You'll be able to switch between the age group if you watch. Let me do it again. I choose this one, and I choose join the room. If I choose to battle, that's different. First of all, I need to have enough items to join. For the school tournament, I need to have 5 or more gold leaves. I believe I do, because I have 30 gold leaves as a new account. So I choose battle. The system will tell me it will cost 5 gold leaves to join. And then I say, okay, I'm fine, I'm in. Then I'll be here to wait until the game starts. Still this many seconds left. This button also allows me to switch between age group, but for joining the tournament, it strictly depends on your age. So like my age obviously is older than 12 years old. I can only choose any age, group D, to battle. But those people who are 12 years old and younger, you basically should have 2 choices. One is your own age group, the other one is the any age. So you can choose one of these 2 if you want. But now I don't have a choice. I have to stay at group D. And then once the time depleted, the game will start. The questions will be the same for all gamers. Then we will just do our best, and other people can choose watch to watch the game. At this time, if you want to leave this room, it will warn you if you leave, you will get deduction of the gold leaves, meaning some penalties. So I will suggest that don't choose this arrow. If you really need to leave the room without costing you any leaves, you probably just want to close the app entirely, then open again to avoid that the gold leaves are deducted. If you have your friends on your friend list, you'll be able to invite your friends to join you, because here we have only 10 minutes to wait. You better be quick if you want to ask somebody else to join this game with you. Then first of all, this friend has to be on your friend list. We are going to have another lesson to tell you how to include friends on your friend list. Then you can send the invitation to ask your friend to join you. This is Hall of Fame, but once I'm in the room, I cannot switch to watch that. Only when I'm not joining, then I can watch the high scores. This is like a leaderboard. After the game starts, you can just follow and do your mental math. We don't need to wait until it starts. So let me leave the room. So that's about it. Let's update the gold crown numbers for the top 3 players. The first place is changed. The first place right now is Silly, who has 85 gold crowns. And second place is Daniel123, who has 76 gold crowns. And nickname is the third one, who has 61 gold crowns. Wow, people are really working very hard, and you can see the numbers are increasing every week. Good job, guys. Keep up. Hey, what's your summer plan? How about playing some mental math games? Let's plan your summer smartly. You can be smart together with other people. The bootcamp of M&Go contains unlimited number of mental math workbooks. M&Go is mostly free, except when you need to practice your mental math at the bootcamp. at the level 5 and higher that you need to pay fees. Why is that? Actually, we want to encourage people at least unlock your levels all the way to level 5. If you can't unlock level 5, your mental math doesn't give you much help. Starting from next week, we will have the state tournaments scheduled every week at the Neverland and the US Mental Math Federation until August 23rd. And if you participated in the tournament, that will enable you to use unlimited number of workbooks at M&Go for 1 free month each time. We limit it to up to 6 free months per M&Go account from this promotion. This subscription is not transferable. We want to clarify, for each tournament, we have 3 games: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division games. If you participated in only 1 game of a tournament, you still get 1 free month subscription. And if you participate all 3 games of the tournament, you still get 1 free month of the subscription. That's how we count it. And let me remind you, the M&Go World Championship is upcoming in August. It's jointly hosted by US Mental Math Federation and Orion Abacus Association. Event date is August 30th, 2020 is the California time because the venue is at San Jose, California, United States. Now we are considering remote participation because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Don't worry about buying a flying ticket. We will send out more details of how to participate in the World Championship remotely. The invitation was sent to those who earn 5 or more gold crowns by July 1st. We know who are qualified, so you don't need to sign up and no fee to be paid. All you need to do is just play the game and try to earn the gold crowns. Then you will receive the invitation before July 1st. And again, there are cash awards to top 3 winners of each age group. Top 3 winners actually are 5 people in each age group. So first place $500, second place is $200, and third place has 3 people. Each one gets $100. So you don't need to pay a fee, but it's possible that you can make some precious money awards. And you get the honor. We will announce the names of the winners, and the names will be kept there for people to look up forever.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching M&Go News. I'm the Special Agent, Double M7. See you next time. Goodbye.